Following. Following our universal laws. Experience is the best teacher. One of the growing concerns about present-day Western society is its apparent junking of moral absolutes in favor of moral rel- relativity for a growing number of people. The concept of right and wrong now depends on what you think is right or wrong, and society must respect your opinion because that is generally your right. On the other hand, a significant number of people still believe that the concept of right and wrong depends not on what you think but what your conscience tells you is right or wrong, and that society should follow the dictates of your mind because that is the responsibility of any citizens to ensure that society will run smoothly. Now compare these words groupings. Group A, think, opinion, right. Group B, conscience, follow, responsibility. Isn't group a more popular and attractive sounding than group B in these days of hedonism, hedonism and egocentricity? Thinking about conscience is synonymous with guilt. Follows like being enslaved, and responsibility is well doesn't that contract the politically correct virtue of self-expressions, but if you really think about it, you simply cannot say that right and wrong, good and bad all depend on your opinion. Imagine yourself driving on a busy intersection and maybe hate the traffic light turns green for you. It means go instead of stop, but to the other person it means the other way around. Just imagine that chaos of everybody have their own interpretation of what green, red, or yellow lights means. Universal laws are based on these moral absolutes. The Ten Commandments, for instance, are not restricted to particular civilizations but are actually the basis for much of the world's fundamental laws. Commandments like thou shalt not kill or thou shalt not steal are not bound by any cultural mindset. The golden rule, which tells us to do unto others what we would have them to do unto us, is in fact taught in all of the world's major belief system. What are some of the universal laws that we'll all need to observe and follow? Recall some of what Pilgrim said he learned in kindergarten.